Get my gadget and simply plug into your iPad like this. Then set your car radio. We'll turn on the car radio. Make sure that you set this to 87.9. Then you are ready to broadcast anything from your iPad onto your car radio. Let me show you how it's done. You can play YouTube. We'll go to YouTube right now.
Alien Covenant, now playing rated R.
Let's party.
Critics are raving. Alien Covenant indulges in a spectacle that's been missing from summer movies.
So you can play movies or YouTube and hear all your sounds coming from your car speakers. And let me show you, can also do this with podcasts. Anything with sounds, you'll be able to cast onto your older car radio without a new head units or any modification. You don't need Bluetooth, you don't need any wire, just connect my device and you're ready to go. Let me show you how